Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of Tech Express. Today I'm going to be showing you how to actually make the actual quick connection between the ClickUp and your actual Cloudy. And the process actually is going to be giving you less than 2 minutes. And I've seen a lot of tutorials which you can generate your ClickUp personal API key. We can do this manually, of course. We can do this automatically. So the first and most easiest way to do this, the manual way, of course, is to go directly into ClickUp. So once you directly to the ClickUp, you want to log in directly to the actual dashboard. Now, at the top of the actual screen, you will see an actual field labeled like the personal API token, so we can generate the actual API token directly into the upper side. That we can usually see it directly inside here. If you don't see it, what you can do is to look out for the actual search into the upper side, and directly inside here, I'm going to go and look out for API. So you can even ask the actual agent to find that API for you. Now, basically what we need to do is to copy our actual API, configure the MCP server, and paste it directly inside here so we can open the actual terminal and do this process in a very manual way, you might be saying. But to make this process a little bit much more faster, what I wanted to do, of course, is to, let's say, open my actual cloudy.ai. Really important that before you focus into that, you go directly into the clickup.com, focus directly into the home dashboard, and directly into your dashboard, you wanted to focus into the actual whiteboard that you would like to be working on, which in this case is, for example, this one. So I have this specific whiteboard I would like to get started with. Right, so the first thing I wanted to do, of course, is to go back into cloudy.ai, and let's work with my ClickUp project and connect ASAP, for example. What's going to happen is that the cloud is going to be looking out for some connectors. Connectors are like the most easiest way to link a cloudy application to a specific tool, for example, like the whiteboard of the ClickUp. So what's going to happen here is that it's going to be asking you to get the workspace hierarchy from the actual ClickUp. I'm going to hit into the allow the version. So what's going to happen here is that it will be asking you to request a few access from the ClickUp that you have already signed in order to have access to all of the information that you have now check it out. In this case, for example, you can see that we have the cool cat space. Here's the social media list. Everything is correctly organized. So if I focus directly into my projects, I see that here it should be appearing the actual chat that I was actually working on, which is the actual ClickUp. Now, if this is the first time that you have connected the actual ClickUp directly into your of course into your Cloudy, it's going to be asking you like something like this. It's going to be showing you the actual connector, and it should be here appearing the actual element that says ClickUp. So the only thing that you need to do is to hit into the option that says install. When you hit into install, it will be asking you to run the access between the ClickUp and directly into the ClickUp. You go for yes, and it might be telling you that it is now connected into an actual green button. If it doesn't appear as green button, you wanted to close your Cloudy, sign out, sign in once again, and go back directly into the chat, and it will be telling you that it's now been connected. So once it has now been correctly connected, it will be asking you, looks like a small workspace, what do you want to do? For example, see the task create social media. Let's create a task. We'll build out more structure. So let's go and look out for build out more structures like list folders for this specific folder. I just wanted to be sending this specific prompt so you can see that the actual Cloudy actually works with the whiteboards that we have generated with the actual ClickUp. So basically what you need to do is just to ask questions, or you can just ask for a few prompts, and the actual Cloudy will be understanding a little bit more what you're actually aiming for. For example, what is the main focus of your ClickUp project? Let's go for something like general marketing campaigns, my client account. And the more questions it asks, the more you answer, the more results you're going to be getting. Right? So this is a really easily way of how we can actually make the connection between the ClickUp and the actual Cloudy. If you have another solution that it would be much more faster to use, you can let us know into the comments below. I believe that this is one of the most easiest and fastest way to get started with your actual tools with the actual ClickUp, and you can see that we already been asked for a few requests to change, create folders, and all of that. So a quick check before I create more placeholders, and you can see back directly to the actual whiteboard. So you can reload the actual page and see that your actual work is now being successfully done. So if you have any question, guys, you can let me know in the comments below. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. Go to see more great tools like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and hopefully with all this being said, well, we can all see you all next time.